Hi guys, well this is going to be different tonight. I'm actually going to make one of my favourite cocktails for you. Let's go. I'm making you a passion fruit, well Susie's version of a passion fruit martini. As you can see, I've got my Nutribullet out. I do have your kind of standard cocktail shaker. It's only a cheap plastic one, but it's done for years. It's been great. But I found when making this drink, I prefer to do my way. Okay, let me take you through this. I'm going to start by first ingredient, vanilla vodka. First time I've used vanilla vodka. I have been making it with ordinary vodka, but I thought I'll give this a shot. Okay, so our first ingredients we need. I'm making two, one for John, one for myself. So I need to double up my recipe, which will be 70 ml of vodka. Oh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so good old-fashioned measuring jug. Okay, that looks, well, let's give it a splash more. That's a close 70, might be a little bit more, but hey ho. Right, cocktails are meant to be a little bit wicked. Okay, my next ingredient, I love this stuff, what's it say? The passion drink with real passion fruit. If you go on YouTube and watch a lot of the people who make cocktails for a living, they all use this one. So we bought it and it's wonderful, so I can recommend that one. Okay, on that I'm going to use 50 ml of this. Like I say, I'm doubling up on a single quantity, so 50 ml. That's it. By the way, this does, don't be fooled, this does have an alcoholic content as well. It's 17%, so don't think guys, oh, just pour the bottle of that in. This is alcoholic. Right, okay, so that's those two. Next we're moving on to our fruit juices, or what's the word, syrups shall we say. This one is called it's a Funkin range. I got it from Amazon. It was recommended by one of the guys on YouTube, and it's a passion fruit. Well, they call it puree, but as you can see, it's not a puree. I even bought the squirty bottles because he gave a very good tip. He said you buy the big thing. It's a packet. It's a foil packet of the fruit puree, and then he put it into 3 separate bottles, and I have 2 frozen in the freezer, and I'm currently using this one. And that way, he said, you know, it's good value. And this is his favourite. So I got this, and it's absolutely lovely. But he also recommended Rubicon. Still passion. I think it's some fruit concentrate. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's just a fruit passion juice. Now, I'm using both because I find I couldn't. One is slightly, this one probably has the sugars in it. And you need that little bit of sweetness. Just like cooking, mixing a cocktail is all about balance, finding the balance of the drink. So yeah, I've tasted it halfway through and thought, oh my God, it's not sweet enough, or oh my God, it's too sweet. Okay, so that's why I'm using both, and it benefits from it. Right, let's go. So we need passion fruit juice, 100 ml. So we're going for 200 ml. So I'm going to put probably 100 ml of this one in. Right, that one. Top up with 100 ml of this one. As you can see, this one really is a juice. This is really thin. So I can understand why he said this one is better. This is a lot thicker. I'm just measuring. Can't tell where I am at the moment. Oh my God. Right, there we go. Okay, splash more of that one. Right, now I'm going to taste it, because we have been using, John and I made a simple syrup, there you can see, and it is simple. It's water and sugar basically that you reduce to a syrup, a thick syrup, and I put vanilla extract in there, and it's been absolutely amazing. Keep it in the fridge. It's been in the fridge about 2 weeks. I've used it for all sorts of things. Even in basic cooking where you want to sweeten it, I've used a dollop of this stuff and it's been amazing. So let's just taste what we've got there first. I'm judging for the level of vanilla and the level of sweetness. Wow, that's lovely. But it does need, I'm going to give it just two teaspoonfuls of simple syrup. Stir that round. Okay. A lime, fresh lime. One of my passions are limes. I absolutely love them in cooking, in drinks. Lime and mint, oh my god, love it. But tonight it's lime that we're going to, very old fashioned, just an old glass lime juice squeezer. Now I'm going to say I'm going to use the whole lime, but again I'm going to actually taste it. Because some limes, this is giving off quite a bit of lime juice actually. So I may only need to use the half. The lime juice gives it a nice little kick. I'm not using the same spoon, guys. Let's get rid of that spoon. Give it another, oh that's not even a spoon. Right. Give it another taste. Oh, that lime juice really, really brings out the passion fruit that's in there. Okay, now the magic's going to start happening. That all goes into my NutriBullet. Now when I actually am going to put crushed ice in there, when I actually tip this into my cocktail glasses, it's going to look like a passion fruit slushy. You just give it a minute, it just settles down and it's just the most amazing drink. Right, found the ice. Crushed ice. I made this drink for my granddaughter and her fiance fortnight ago. I think it was a fortnight ago or last week, I don't know, the days just run into each other, and they absolutely loved it. So I thought if you can please them at that age, you know it can't be bad. Right. The amount of ice you use is personal choice. I like plenty of ice because I want it cold. Right, okay. So I think I've doubled the volume with ice now. Just dry my hands. As you can see, a passion fruit. That's going to be cut in half and put into... Just stopping myself a minute there, I did only actually need half the lime. My recipe says 1 lime because sometimes you get tiny little limes which give out virtually no juice. This is why I'm saying to you guys, taste it as you go along. Stop and taste it. That lime's just going in a little dish for something else. Okay, move that. I love my NutriBullet, especially when it's making cocktails. Right, okay, it literally doesn't need very much, just a whiz. That's it. That's all it needs. Any more than that and you will make it into a full-blown slush puppy. Cocktail glasses. By the way, if anyone wants to know, these are John Lewis cocktail glasses, and they're actually quite a nice size. I have got some other cocktail glasses which are more like, I believe they call it coupe, quite small. Right. This is quite a big passion fruit. That tastes yummy. Okay, there you go, guys. Passion fruit, Susie style martini. And I've just got to taste it. Excuse me. That is lip smackingly good. Anyway, guys, no, I haven't had anything before. Well, that's a lie. I've had a glass of rosé, but I haven't had any of the cocktails. So I'm going to go now into the garden and enjoy this with my husband. Give it a try. Surprise your fella, or gents, surprise your ladies when they come home. Make them something really special. See ya. Bye. Cheers.